Hi, I'm April Golightly, and today we're going to do a shoe closet clean out. I already started, but my microphone was not working. So I talked and talked and talked and didn't record any audio. So let's get started again. So let's talk about what I'm getting rid of and why, and what I'm keeping and why. Okay, so I have this shoe closet right here. It's a shoe wall. It also kind of shares with my craft supplies, so I'm kind of putting the craft supplies down, and I'm gonna do a purge of craft supplies and figure out if I even want to keep the craft supplies in here. I might move those downstairs or into a different closet. So let's see how many shoes we're gonna keep and how many we're gonna get rid of. Right now I've got a pile of like 30 pairs that I'm getting rid of. So I'm going to talk about shoes I'm keeping and getting rid of. Okay, so these two shoes, they're both great shape. These are from Schutz, super comfortable, but this is the thing, so this one's comfortable too, but these types of shoes where it just covers this part and there's no ankle strap, I just find them that I worry that they're gonna slide off my foot. And what happens is when I walk around, I feel like I'm like kind of clenching my feet and it becomes uncomfortable for me. And I can't wear them for extended periods of time because my legs start hurting. And to wear flats, you wanna be comfortable. So getting rid of them, first I'm gonna let my friends look at them and see if they're into any of them. If they're not into any of them, then I'm gonna donate them to charity. I actually have this pickup charity that comes to my house. It's for breast cancer, and they picked up like 10 bags the other day because I've been like getting rid of stuff constantly. So if you want to check online for places near you that actually do pickups, so you don't have to like drive, you just put them at your front door, you schedule it, and then they'll come pick it up. It's pretty awesome. I'm also getting rid of flip-flop type shoes as well because I'm really not wearing them anymore. I used to wear them to like the beach or something because they're kind of like waterproof, but I found that they're just not, I worry that I'm gonna like, that I will hurt myself while walking in them. They're just not very supportive, and I just want something that's better. So what I found that I do like, that I am keeping, are these Birkenstocks. I only have them in this pink color. I tried to buy like a knockoff version in black, and the knockoff version is just not as strong as this one is. Like the bottom of this is very stable, so it's super comfortable, and because it comes up a little bit higher, I don't feel like I'm just gonna slip out. So this is something that I would wear to like the beach or something. I've had them for a few years and they've lasted a really long time. Right now I like literally have sand in them from the last time I went to the beach with them. I totally need to clean them. That's pretty gross. Ew. I was thinking about getting rid of these. A long time ago, a few years ago, I did a campaign with Libby Edelman, who I think is like the sister of Sam Edelman. And she did a collaboration, or does a line, I think, with JCPenney. These are super cute, and I really loved wearing them when I did. I felt like they kind of like went out of style for a little bit, but I feel like this like chunkiness is coming back. So I'm keeping them, and if I don't like wear them in the next like few months while they're like on trend, then I'll probably get rid of them at that point. But right now they're super comfortable and I'm keeping them. Okay, I have these shoes. This is like the old version and this is like the new version. They're from Target. I think they're like Hocus Pocus or something like that. I kind of need to get rid of both of them and just buy a new pair because I do love this style. I just think they both kind of have been through it and I've worn them too much. So sometimes, yeah, I just get rid of. So I've had these for a long time, these like red sandals. I'm gonna try them on and see if I like them. They are super comfortable, but it's just been a while since I've worn them, so I don't know if I'm still a fan or not. Let me know in the comments if you guys are into these shoes. I think I'm gonna put these in the maybe pile because they're so stinking cute, and they're still in really good shape, but I don't know if I'm gonna wear them. So this is gonna be the same thing. I'm gonna do like a row of, if I don't wear them in the next like few months, then I'm probably gonna get rid of them. So that's like the maybe pile, and it'll force me to think about it and see if I actually want them. So I'm also getting rid of these. These are also from Schutz. I just never wore them, and I feel like they're just not flattering on me. I'm gonna see if my friend wants them, but they just don't work for me. I don't know why, but I'm just not into it. I'm also getting rid of these sneakers. My mom had gotten them for me. I don't know what it is, but they're not comfortable. This is women's 8, but I have a lot of these. Like I have them in that I'm keeping in this pink color, this white color. This one's like from the Nordstrom sale, and this one actually has like a little bit of a platform, and they're leather, super comfortable, easy to slip on. I absolutely love them. So I'm keeping pink, white. I feel like there's a second pink pair that I'm also keeping that is the platform. I'm not sure where they are, but they're somewhere in here. Yeah, lately I've been like really into sneakers and sandals. Normally I'm not like a huge fan of sneakers, but lately I've been definitely wearing them a lot more, which is awesome because they're so comfortable. I'm getting rid of these Nikes. I think I wore these once for like a photo shoot. Hopefully my friend will get some use out of them, or they're 7.5. Hopefully she'll take them, or I can donate them and someone will really appreciate them. It's just like they make my feet look huge, and I'm not a huge fan of how big they make my feet look. Keeping these super cute little slip-on shoes from J. Crew. They're like pink with little stars on them. I've had these for a few years, and they were kind of like in the beginning like dug into my like the top of my foot, but after wearing them for a while, they're like suede and leather. They broke in finally, and now they're super comfortable. So I'm glad that I gave them a chance and still broke them in, because they're totally worth it, because now I wear them all the time and they still look great. Another pair of shoes that I wear like all the time are these mules from Dolce Vita. Super, super comfortable. I just love like that I don't have to like deal with trying to like put on laces or anything. I just throw them on and I look very chic with them on. Also, they're very neutral, so they kind of like elongate my legs. You know what, I guess I haven't worn these. I have them in a beige color, and I've worn the beige ones, but I haven't worn these pink ones apparently because they are brand new. And they still have like stuff on them. So I'm totally gonna put this on the to be worn, and if I don't wear them the next like 6 months, then I'm probably gonna get rid of them. But I've worn the beige ones a ton. But I feel like these pink ones would look super cute with something. I love this like muted pink color, really cute. I can't believe I haven't worn these yet. That's crazy. Here are some boots that like I'm on the fence about. I think right now my gray jeans are a little tight on me. So what I really wanted to wear them with is a pair of like gray jeans, like gray skinnies, and then these gray boots over them. So I will either, I need to lose weight so that I can fit into those gray jeans, or find a pair of gray jeans that I want to wear right now. But I think if they're so cute, if I could just rock a pair of gray jeans with them. I'm not sure if I'm like happy about the fact that there's only one way that I can wear them. Let me know if you can think of any other way to wear these gray boots, if you have any other thoughts. I would love some opinions. So I'm gonna get rid of these. They're like a faux leather, and I definitely wore them a lot. And I like that they're pointy, but they're really like scuffed up, and that they're fake leather. So, and I also have like 2 pairs of like nudish color boots that I already am wearing, and they're way better than this. So these are gonna go, I don't know, I always go for black boots. I've had these for a long time. These are XOXO. I feel like I'll still wear them. I still really, let me know if you guys like them, or are they totally out of style now? They're like round toe with that stacked heel in the back. I kind of feel like they have a cowboy boot vibe to them. So I don't know. I'm still on the fence. They are pretty flattering, but I do have a million pairs of black boots. So it's like, how many pairs of black boots do I need when I live in Florida? I think that I'm keeping the rest of them. I think I've gotten rid of about 30 pairs. I have some other pairs that I need to find matches for, and hopefully I do. There's like a stack of, that's why there's like empty spaces, because I don't know where the other shoe is. So hopefully I can find those and then put them up here. And I think I'm doing pretty good. I still want to sell those hunter boots just because I haven't worn them in a long time. But I think I'm pretty happy. A few of the holes that I want to try to fill are getting a pair of like black Birkenstocks, because I really like the Birkenstocks and they're super comfortable, and I think a black pair would be really cute. Also maybe a pair, I know I have a lot of pairs of black boots, but I'd like a pair of black boots that are pointy and like a low heel. That probably, so those two pairs of shoes I think that I need desperately slash don't really need anything. But if I were to say things that I need slash want, those are them. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day.